Hi friends, this is Mona from Rock City Tumblers, and I was going to show you today how to edit your Facebook Lives after you go live. So sometimes the thumbnail that Facebook assigns it isn't always the best. It's not a good representation of what is in the video, and so if you want to change that, it can get a little bit confusing. So typically when you have your post here, you can usually click on the little three dots in the corner. You can try to edit your post. However, all that does is let you edit the description. Okay, so if you want to edit more details about it, you need to watch it in full screen by playing it.
Hey guys, this is Mona.
Clicking these double
if you don't see the red live rectangle, then I'm no longer live.
Sorry about that. And you can see it's in this full screen mode now. So I would click on the three dots this time and I get different options. So I'm going to edit this video. Now I get a lot of information so I can tag myself. I could put a title. And then Facebook grabs 10 random thumbnails that it thinks might be good, and so I can toggle through. We don't want that one. So, you know, like maybe that one. So you can't really control completely, but you can pick which one you'd like. So maybe we'll do that one. You can tag your location if you want to. You can get a better description. I don't worry about the captions. If you want to put it in a category, you can. I don't usually bother with that. And only a certain group can see it. So I'm going to hit save. And now when I go
Hey guys, this is Mona.
The main group, that is the thumbnail. Sorry about that. Get back in the group. Here it is. So now the thumbnail for it is this picture here instead of the picture with the hangers. That was the first one. So, and if you need to get the link, if you wanted to send someone a direct link to it, you can right click on it, show video URL, which is called Universal Resource Locator. And there is the direct link, copy. And so you can send that to someone like in a message and they could play it because they have the exact link to it. So that's a little bit about your lives and how to edit. Only the person that did the live can change this text here. Also, only the person that did the live that can do the editing that we just did. So if you're an admin of a group and you need someone and your group went live and they did not put a description, then you will need to walk them through these steps to add the description so it will be searchable later by the search. Because if there's no description, then there's no way to search for this live later. So I hope that helps you guys, and let me know if y'all need any other helpful tips or whatevers, and I will get on making those. Thank you so much. Bye.